Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are building one of the absolute best beginner projects you can possibly add to your Python portfolio, a fully interactive, terminal-based to-do list application. If you are just starting out with coding, or if you want to understand how loops, lists, functions, and error handling all work together in a real script, this video is custom-made for you. We are going to build this entire application from scratch, line by line, so you can see exactly how professional terminal utilities are structured. Let's talk about how the script is organized and jump straight into the code. If you look at the top of our script, we start by defining a clean helper function called show_menu. Its only job is to handle the user interface layout. Using Python's string multiplication, like print equals 50, it prints a sleek, professional banner and displays a 4-option menu, viewing tasks, adding a new task, deleting an existing task, and exiting the program. Keeping this separate keeps our code modular, clean, and easy to read. Now, let's look at the core engine of our application, the Todo_app function. Inside this function, we initialize an empty Python list called tasks equals. This list is going to hold all of our string items in memory while the app is running. Right below that, we kick off a continuous while true loop. This loop ensures that the menu keeps showing up after every single action, giving the user a smooth, uninterrupted experience until they explicitly choose to quit. We grab the user's menu selection using choice equals input, choose an option 1 to 4, stripping away any accidental whitespace so our conditional statements match cleanly. Let's break down how each menu option handles its logic, starting with option 1, viewing tasks. When the user presses 1, our script checks if not tasks. If the list is empty, it prints a polite message letting the user know their task list is currently empty. But if tasks exist, we use Python's built-in enumerate tasks, 1 function. This is super important because enumerate lets us loop through the list while automatically generating a 1-based index, so instead of starting at index 0 like standard Python lists do, it displays a neat, human-readable numbered list starting at 1, making it feel like a real software application. Moving on to option 2, adding a new task. When the user selects 2, the program prompts them to type a task using new_task equals input, enter the task you want to add, strip. We use strip here too, just in case they accidentally press space. Then, we run a quick validation check, if new_task. If they actually typed something, we append it to our list using tasks, append new_task. To make the terminal output pop with professional styling, we use ANSI escape sequences, specifically 03392 meters for bright green text, to print a success status message like task added successfully. If they left it blank and just hit enter, our else block catches it and prints an error message in red using 03391M. Next up is option 3, deleting a task, which is where some of the most important beginner safety logic comes into play. Short pause. First, the program checks if the task list is empty. If it has items, it prints them out with their corresponding numbers so the user knows what they are deleting. Then, we wrap our deletion input inside a try except block. We prompt the user to enter a task number, convert it to an integer using int, and check if it fits within a valid range using if 1 less than equals task_num less than equals len tasks. If it's valid, we remove it from the list using tasks.pop, task_num1, subtracting 1 because Python lists are 0 indexed, and print a green success confirmation. If the user types a number that doesn't exist, our else block handles it. And more importantly, if the user accidentally types letters or symbols instead of a number, the except value error block catches the crash before it breaks the program, printing a clean red warning message instead. Finally, let's look at option 4, exiting the app. When the user selects 4, the program prints a friendly exit message in green, and hits the break statement, which instantly terminates the while true loop and stops the application. At the very bottom of our script, we include the standard if __name __equals __main__, guard block to call Todo_app, ensuring our script executes safely whether run directly or imported elsewhere. To run this project yourself, all you need to do is open your terminal, save this code into a file named todo.py, and run it using Python. It is an amazing, lightweight project to cement your understanding of Python fundamentals. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what project we should code next.